Alright, we're going downstairs to look at a sandwich that's been sitting in this fridge for a year now. And we just figured out that the fridge has been running this whole time. And I'm not going to tell the backstory behind it, but you'll see. This is the first time we're looking at this sandwich. We just saw it wrapped up in the fridge, but we didn't open it just for this special purpose. I know it may not look pretty, but soon this is going to be the office space, and it's going to be quite a big project. But come on in. There's the fridge. There's the fridge. It's been running for a whole year. What do we got here? We got Peter Pan Honey Roast Creamy. Don't know when that expired. Where's the expiration date on this thing? I'm afraid to touch this. Best Buy, July 29th, 2016.
Damn, that's about
Oh God, there's an apple core. Oh God. What is that? There's the sandwich. No way.
Holy shit.
Oh God. Oh God. It's got meat on it.
Oh God, no.
Let's take it outside so in better light.
Oh Jesus Christ.
Here.
No, I ain't smelling that shit.
JD's laughing in his grave right now at us. Oh God.
That bread is like rock hard. Oh my God.
Man, I need a stick for this.
Here's one, I think. Nope, that might just be a root. Yeah, that's just a root.
You need a stick. This will work. JD, rest in peace, but this sandwich is disgusting. Oh my God.
Oh God, it's green.
What is that?
I think that's roast beef, man.
Roast beef? Why is it yellow?
Because it's fucking a year old.
I don't smell anything.
Yeah, me either. Man, that, oh my God, it freaking like shit.
Oh! Oh, stay back!
What about the cheese? You think the cheese is... Oh my God. Stop it.
God. Dude, get the gasoline. Get the gasoline, damn it.
I don't know where the gasoline is. Man, that's gross, man. Oh, fuck off! Don't stop! Asshole. What's wrong?
I think I just caught a whip.
Hey, I saw a black box in there, like a to-go container from a restaurant. Should we check that out?
Yes.
Oh God.
We gotta clean out the fridge anyway. Since I'm grabbing this shit, you're fucking scrubbing the fridge whenever the time comes. Oh God.
Oh, what is that on top of it?
Oh no. Looks like a grape.
It's a raisin now.
How much money would you give me if I try the raisin?
$0.
Come on, man.
No, don't do that.
Okay.
Careful.
Oh.
It's a piece of bread.
It's been down there for a year. No one's been taking care of it until recently. Man, I thought it was gonna be like some like pasta or something. You know, like wet pasta. Looks like it's from Copeland's or something. Let's go look at the jelly. Come on. Watch your step. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Throwing this out.
What about that pudding? I don't even want to know.
Oh, it's been sitting in the fridge.
Yeah, but when did it expire?
There's black shit on my finger now.
What?
Oh god.
What's wrong?
I have to grab this apple.
Oh god. Put on some gloves or something. Like
Oh.
get what?
Oh! Oh god. Look at that. Let's get in the light. Smells awful.
Throw that shit out.
Fuck this apple. I don't even know if it's an apple or not. What is it? Looks like brains.
I'm pretty sure that's an apple. Looks kind of like a mushroom though at this point.
Might be a mushroom.
You better wash your hands after that one.
Yeah, definitely.
So this expired about 7 months ago.
Oh, there's jelly in there.
Nice.
But there's nothing wrong with the peanut butter.
I wouldn't eat it.
I wouldn't eat it. Yeah, fuck that. Throw that in the burn pile. Okay. Pudding. It's perfectly fine.
Huh.
Still smells like new.
Yeah, it smells fine. I still wouldn't eat it though.
Yeah, you're right.
It's over a year old.
Burn it. Everything's getting burned. Alright. Now, I don't know how jelly would work out, but
Maybe are we gonna like? Oh! Hold up.
there's something in there.
Hold it upside down again.
Do you see that? There's white shit in there.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell that is. Let's like squirt it in the burn pile instead of just in the yard, you know?
All right, I'm gonna squirt it on the white thing, the white wood. Oh, fuck, it's not coming out.
Let's have a look. Does it smell bad? Let's have a look in there. Oh, what the hell is that?
Oh no. It smells bad. It smells bad. It smells really bad. Oh god.
Listen to that sound.
I know it might look like.
Oh, I kind of want to smell it, but I
No.
don't. I really don't.
You don't want to smell it.
All right.
And that's everything inside the fridge.
All right. Yeah. That was a nice experience. I hope it was good for all of you guys. So that's all we got for you. Come back and see us again. Thanks for watching.
Bleach. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
What up, bitches? You see all this shit around me? Yeah. Like, share, and subscribe. You know you want to. I know you do. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.